Hello everyone, welcome back to series Real Car Coding Jobs, brought to you by the technicians at Car Diagnostic Software. Today, we're going to enable the auto-folding mirror function on this Mercedes. This feature allows the mirrors to automatically fold when locking the car and unfold when unlocking. First, let's prepare the diagnostic device to connect to the vehicle. You'll also need the Mercedes Diagnostic and coding software installed on your laptop. Now we connect the diagnostic device to the car. To unlock this hidden feature on Mercedes, we use DTS Monaco for coding. Now, let's start the coding process. Step 1. Enable mirror folding menu. Step 2. Activate factory settings menu. Step 3. Activate current settings menu. Step 4. Do coding. Step 5. Reset ECU. And now you can fully adjust the automatic folding of the side mirrors on the Mercedes. The mirror folding function is successfully enabled and working as expected. If you need professional remote coding for Mercedes or diagnostic software and tools, feel free to contact us via WhatsApp. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow Real Car Coding Jobs for more real-world coding videos.